So hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna make a little bit replacement of the steering wheel, Ford Transit Connect. And as you can see here, these are the Sky ones, so yeah, it's kind of worn out, but I do have this beauty over here, as you can see here, really nice one. So we're gonna swap this one and I'm gonna take this one out. So basically what you need to do, I'm gonna show you here. There is a hole over here. I'm not really sure you're gonna see. You're gonna need tool like this. So basically what you wanna do, you wanna find this hole over here and gently click it, so this side of the airbags come out. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able with one hand or not, but let's see. So as you can see here, it came out a little bit. But before all of this, you should probably take the electricity out. So take out the plus from your battery. It's should not be any problem, but you never know. So basically you find the hole. I will show you later just how to do it, because right now I'm not really sure you're gonna see, but with the feel that I have, so basically you just you hear that click, and after that the airbag should be out, so like this. And there are some connections over here. We have this for the airbag. You should use really small one to take that bad boy out, like this. Just be careful, you don't want to break this. So I hope you can see. Once this one is out fully, it should be pretty much easy to pull it out. So let me try. Yeah, so, and that's number one. Number two is over here. So this is the number two. This goes here, and this other one goes over here. So you just pull it out. So this is the airbag, as you can see. Next thing I want to do, I want to pull. You should make it always straight as possible, so when you put the next one you don't have problems. So take this electricity out, this plug, and after that, this is 24. So 24. It's kind of harder. Let me start. So once you start, it goes pretty much easy. You just turn it all the way around. You can even finish it with hands after that. So that's kind of not that hard. So you want to save it, and after that you just pull it out, so like this. So after you pull it out, now let me show you how you click it inside. So you click this inside, and then I'll show you how you wanna take these out. So that tool that I had before, the small one, so as you can see here, so you go from this side and you have to click it like this all the way here. So it's kind of easier when it's on the car, but as you can see, you hear that clicking sound. So that's those two, you just click one side, other side, and like this. So same goes here, and the airbag does fall out. So now let's put the new one in. You go the same way, the same route as you started, just wiring wise. Let me adjust the wiring, and then we're gonna clip out. So these wires go back in this, and then you need to put these on your airbag. So on your airbag, because these are horn and multimedia stuff like that. So click it back. It's gonna be kind of easier with one hand, but right now I have just one hand. So let me put this and then we continue, because it's gonna be harder for me. So put the wires back, and before all of that, you should screw the back, the 24 that we took out, because that's the only thing that's holding the airbag. I mean the steering wheel. You don't wanna have that kind of problem. So let me screw this all together, and then so full screw back. And now this bad boy, again, you click it inside here. I'm not really sure if you're gonna see. It's kind of hard with one hand. You need to get that head camera. So you click it back, and after you fully click, then turn it in. So that's about that. Later on, you just click the airbag in, and that's basically that for this one. So I will just put electricity back on, and we check if everything works. So give me a second. So give some power. Let's check out this. Yeah, works nice. Here, stereo. Yeah, works nice. Back, up, there. So yeah, basically everything works. I'm not really sure if this will work, or I need to use something. Probably would need to program if it's possible, but I believe it's possible. So that's about that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and follow. Share the video, and yeah, see you in next one. So till next one, see you.